Welcome. In front of me is ACER TravelMate P2, and in this video I will show you how to change this device's name. To do it, you have to open Start menu, then go to Settings. In Settings, select System, then go to the last section, which is About. Open it, and here rename your PC by clicking this icon right here. Now, input the name without any spacebars. For example, like this. Then click Next. After that, restart your PC in order to apply changes. Then wait until your device is restarted. And once your device is restarted, the name of your device is changed. So let's check it. Let's go to Start, Settings, System, and as you can see, here is the new name of our device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.